Hey everybody, it's Jess Wilde again, here with day number 4 of the Lovehoney Advent Calendar. Let's see what we've got. Okay, where's number 4? Oh, it's like a treasure hunt. There we go, found it. Right. Number 4. It's really pretty patterns. Oh yeah. And today, we've got the Lovehoney O Lucky Scratch Cards. Now, what exactly are these? I will tell you. Excite and surprise your partner with this set of sexy scratch cards. Simply rub away a heart from each of the 4 sections to reveal exactly how you'll be spending your evening. Scratch off the bonus panel and throw a sexy surprise into the mix. I'm going to guess that means a sex toy. So, a game for 2 in window number 4. Come back tomorrow to find out what's in window number 5. Bye for now.